guys, welcome to my channel. Madam Excellence here. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, yummy, mouth-watering plantain porridge. This is a Nigerian recipe. I've been craving this of late and I decided to make it and to show you guys how I make it. It's super delicious. If you're new, please subscribe and like this video, share it, and let's begin. First of all, we are going to be blending up our fresh peppers and tomatoes, bell peppers, Thai chili peppers. We're going to be chopping the tomatoes up like so. I'm just using one large tomatoes, and then we're going to be blending it right away. And then we are using 2 large onions. You can use the red onions, the purple onions, or these white sweet onions. And up next, I'm using gizzards. Yes, I want, as I scoop every bite, I'm eating something. And then chicken backs and necks. Not too much. If you can use goat meat, you can use anything you want. And then we're just going right ahead to season our chicken with salt, Cameroon pepper. That pepper is super spicy, super spicy. And then with our stock cubes, our chicken bouillon cubes, we're just going to put it on the fire, make it cook. Put a little water, cook it down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Put in your onions and then set it up. Give it a good turn. Stir it right up. And then up next, these are plantains. Yes, unripe plantains. Just fairly ripe. Just you see the little yellow on it. And then we're just going to take off the skin. And how I like to do it is I love to chop it up in cubes because it makes it easily chewable, right? You just slice it right down in the middle, and then you go ahead and chop it like so. It makes it very easy to digest, easy to chew, and very pretty in the plate, yeah. And then when you're done chopping it up, set it aside in a cold tap water because you don't want it to get brown while you prep all other ingredients. And then this is our spinach. If you're in Nigeria, it's usually ugu leaves, pumpkin leaves, but over here it's spinach. Chop it as fine as possible if you want, like so. And then we're gonna set it aside. Yes, lots of vegetables. I've been craving this like crazy and I decided to make it. I'm super excited. And then in a hot pot, that's the palm oil going in right now. And then we're going to sweat out our onions like so. Yes, our onions, just keep it for about a minute. Let it sweat. And then pour in your blended tomatoes and pepper. And then we're just going to go ahead and season this sauce with our Maggi cubes as well as, salt. We're not putting too much of any ingredient here. And then crayfish. Yes, this is the star of the dish, crayfish. If you can call it crawfish, it's crayfish we call it over here. And give it a good stir. Not too much ingredients, guys. It's just gonna be nice and delicious. Nice and unique and delicious. Give it a good stir. Let the tomatoes sit on the fire for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Let the sourness come off. And then go ahead and put in your plantains. Look at how pretty it looks. Pretty, pretty, pretty. It smells so good. Give it a good stir. Guys, if you love this video so far, please hit the like button, subscribe, share this video, come back again and watch it. Cook this recipe with your family and give me feedbacks. And then right away we're going to put in our chicken stock. The chicken we cooked earlier, we are pouring in the stock. And then this plantain has to be cooked, of course. We are cooking this plantain for about 20 minutes. It has to be super soft, and then the water is not dried yet. We are now putting in our chicken, our gizzards. Give it a good stir. We want the chicken to soak up the juice and the tomatoes and the spices, everything. and then we're going to cover our pot again and let it cook till the broth. You can see the broth, right? You have to see the broth. That's the key to making a good plantain porridge. The key to making a good plantain porridge. Let it cook, and then the water is a bit down, and then we're going to go ahead and look at how it looks. The broth is out, the plantains are soft, and then we've put in our vegetables, our spinach. As soon as you put in your spinach and you give it a stir, put off the fire. We want to eat everything fresh. We want the vegetables to be so fresh. We want it to look good. We want our skin to glow. Look at how this looks. It smells so good. And I've been craving this, and I'm like, I have to make it. And it's super spicy, guys. I love spice. Oh my God. It is super peppery. And then that's it, guys. Enjoy. Come and join me. This is how it looks. Looks super hot and nice. Smells good. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.